October, and today is the day, guys. Today is Frankensteiners here in Minnesota, up in Cambridge. We are headed there right now in the 93 Lightning. We got her washed up already. I'm going to be meeting up with my buddy Jeff and his buddy. My buddy Jeff's got I think it's like a 06 or 08 Chevy Silverado single cab with like 1,000 horse. He's got an LS, built motor, built everything with like a Whipple, no, Magnuson blower, I think that's what it is. And gonna be meeting up with him right now. I'm gonna show y'all that badass truck. I think I recorded him last year, so I think you guys must have seen him last year, but ever since then I believe he has done some upgrades to it, and yeah, we're gonna be meeting up with him right now. I am about 2 minutes out, and let's see what his buddy's got. This is the line to get in. It's packed. How's it going? Oh my God, man. Not much, brother. How you been? How's it going? Kenny. Efren. Nice to meet you. There's my buddy's Jeff's right here. Clean ass truck. Let's see if he's packing. Oh, no, he ain't packing. This is his buddy's right here. This thing is badass too. Beautiful truck, man. Well, guys, my starter took a shit just before getting into the frickin' show. So now I gotta go get the car hauler to come and pick this thing up. Jesus. Cars. The line's all the way over there. Well, guys, luckily my brother was there. He came to rescue me in his nice stepside with an LS. We're headed to go get the car hauler on the Cummins to come pick up the Lightning. Time to take the Cummins out, ladies and gentlemen. And actually on this truck, guys, we have new wheels on her. Alright, guys, we got it hooked up. We're gonna pull it to the Fleet Farm right in town and then load it up on the car hauler.
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit, here we go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Slowly. Push it. Keep it going. Slowly. Stop. Stop. Made it.
Well, guys, there's the Cummins with the new wheels and with the Lightning in the back. Unfortunately, we couldn't get into the show because we're too big, so we're just gonna park right here and just walk to the show next year. Starter went out on it, so that was the reason why she is on the trailer. But the car show is right over there, so not far. Got the food trucks. Oh, it smells bomb. Merch. Tons of food trucks. Guys, this show this year is so much bigger than last year. Holy cow. Oh man, this thing is beautiful.
And then because of his book and all the hearings, the different topics. Take it at speed, because you get.
I found these clowns. They were able to get into the show. This is a good spot, man. What you got for sale? Okay.
Little cars
really good.
are
Okay.
$5.
And where he's
Okay.
going from.
The caddy next to you.
I was also.
Head turning this fucking Cadillac. My car's in right here.
Batman's empty. Same with Michael.
Michael Myers.
He's empty. Mira este motor inline. Look at that. Found my dog. Candy.
It's a Falcon.
These big ass motor.
Oh, Hot Wheels.
Oh, what? They got Hot Wheels in here?
Oh, I've never had last year.
How much are they? Oh yeah?
For free.
Oh, thank you. Look, I used to have those when I was a kid. Remember that one?
Yeah, I had that one. Yeah, some of these are rare ones.
Damn, that's badass. That's awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
What else is he going on?
This thing is badass. Your favorite shifter?
Oh.
Sit on it. Suelo days. When are you gonna get another suelo?
I don't think I will get another air ride with the airbag.
You're not?
I will get a static.
Got a 5.0 in this? Dang.
1,516.
1,500 cars. Over 1,500 cars. Holy crap. This show is huge, guys. Oh, look at the crosses that they put on the plate. This truck is bitchin'. Damn, they're wide. The AC?
Yeah.
Please keep you dick beaters off. Man, that thing is badass. Banana? Over there. $454? Dang. Oh wow. But the blower? That's badass. That's what I need in my Lightning. Something like that. Woo-wee! So smooth. This thing is so sick.
It just looks so.
But this thing is sick. I'll buy this one for Addis. That was tough. That was really tough. Oh man. You want to help me change the starter? You want to? Or you don't want to?
Where are you gonna go change it?
I don't know. Probably at home. It's right by the wheel, like right behind the frame. fucking was banging the shit out of it. And nothing. Just click, 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 click. Did I say? Tell him.
That was the older one.
3-wheel.
Hit the switches! Drop. Hit the switches.
There you go. Hey, there you go. Go ahead. Look at the top on it.